Good morning, it's 6:39. You did so good last night. His longest stretch of sleep was 10:20 until 5:45. Very, very good. Well, good morning, guys. Forrest just woke up. I'm about to go get him, and I just convinced Chad it was Mother's Day. He was so scared, and it's hilarious because he has no idea, or he had no idea. It was always on a Sunday, so that was fun to mess with him. But anyways, let's go get that baby. Hey, how was your nap? Hi. Hey. He was like, it's Mother's Day? What? I was like, yeah, it's Mother's Day. Where are my presents? What do you think, my man? Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning. Ready?
What do you have?
Today we have banana, orange, pineapple.
Is it delicious? Okay, I'm trying to show you guys what I did to my hair, but this bathroom has like the worst lighting ever. It's very, very warm. So I'm going to show you downstairs, but I wanted to show you the product that I put in it last night. It is the DP Hue. The shade is dark brown, and this is a hair gloss. I've literally never heard of hair glosses until like a week ago. So I bought it on Sephora. I actually had Chad help me last night. He's like my new hairstylist. And I'm literally shocked. I have to show you downstairs. It's like super warm up here. It looks a little less warm and more realistic in this lighting. I have a new hairstylist, right, Chad? He cut my hair. He colored it. Are you staring at me because I'm talking? We have some new home updates I thought I'd share real quick. So the first are these poles. It was like a brownish shade, and I feel like these match super well. It's almost like foiled, and so are the poles up there, and then the poles on those cabinets, so it fits a lot better. We switched out the poles in here too. I found these on Wayfair. I find like almost everything on Wayfair for the house. It was like the silver stainless simple ones before, and it goes really well with the new faucet in here. And then I did buy a stair basket on Amazon. I will have this on my Amazon page in the description. I know I just shared this on my Instagram story, but I love sharing when I get really good deals. So it's under $30 on Amazon. I found the exact same thing on a few websites for like $75, $100, way more money, and I'm almost positive it is literally the same thing. We're going to use this for Forrest laundry throughout the day. We go through so many outfits and bibs and burp cloths. Actually, I'm going to try and put everything in this basket instead of having a pile on the stairs. I need to do my nails. I did my toes white. I'm waiting for another thing of white, so I think I'm going to do pink on my nails today, on my hands. And then I was washing hair extensions, so all my like shampoo stuff is right there. Oh, and then over here, I know I've been saying forever that we're going to paint and we're going to get paint. It has just been a struggle with everything going on for us to actually get it. So finally we got it, and I chose a few colors from Benjamin Moore. I found them on a blog, and I picked these colors in like 3 or 4 minutes, like really fast. So the first one is Athabasca, and that's for the bedroom walls. We have 2. And then the other one that we got is Smoke, and this is for the kitchen island. They both are like a bluish gray color. Smoke is like way more of a real blue. Actually, it's hard to tell from a swatch, you know, like seeing the swatch online and then seeing it actually painted on things, it really looks super different. We're gonna get started with this stuff, in the next few days, this weekend. I'd like to say we're getting started tonight, but I know that won't happen, so at least in the next week. So that's what's been going on around here. Forrest is finishing eating. I know Chad has stuff to get done. I have to do something really quick on the computer, and then I'm going to take Forrest for a walk. He used to hate walks, and now he sits there, holds his bar, and just hangs. So we're gonna do that. It's only like 50 something. Still though, I need to get outside. I know he needs to get outside. I have a bunch of stuff from Spanx, so I'm going to do a try-on haul on my Instagram. I need to start like highlighting or saving highlights of try-on hauls. I always forget to do that, and post it on my like to know. I'm trying to like be regular everywhere. It's a struggle. I try though, I do my best. So they're gonna finish up eating. We're gonna do a few computer things and then get outside. All right, the birds are chirping. It's a beautiful day. Just so bright, I can barely keep my eyes open. You ready? We got burp cloths, blankies. Let's roll. It's a while later now. Forey boy had a nap. The first part of the walk was relaxing. The second part he was screaming, so I ran home. And then he took a nap. And now we're gonna eat something. And right now Chad's outside putting together the new patio furniture. I think it's called a conversation set. It's like 2 chairs and an ottoman. I ordered so many groceries. I got a window the same day, which is amazing. It's been like a few days out. Sometimes I've gotten lucky and it's the same day, but it's like if I place an order first thing in the morning, it's a really late window. So it said between 3 and 4 p.m. it should be here. So I'll show you guys all the groceries. He's gagging. He like hates this. Are you getting used to it? He's always shocked. Like the first few bites, he's totally shocked. Bubba, let's show how we do your hair. Okay, excuse me. Turn on the water. Oh, Bubby, you like it? It's getting so thick. Okay. Remember, we don't eat sweets for every meal. It's been almost 2 hours. Let's go, Sharice. Want to see the baby food we got? Man.
It's my quarantine haircut looking.
Baby, your hair looks great. Don't be mad at me. All the groceries are wiped down. Still have my little baby on me. I've been wearing him for like around 2.5 hours. So I'll show you all the groceries and then he's going to eat and get a new diaper. There's mushrooms, radishes, 4 apples, and celery for juices. There are some bell peppers, a head of cauliflower. That's for Chad. I hate cauliflower. Sweet potato. He wants to look at the screen so bad. And then a bunch of bars. These ones are Chad's. And then I got these for me. I've heard that these are really good, but I've never had them. I also got these ones, almond and chocolate. I really like these crackers. I've been buying these like every time. And then some chocolate chips, ton of iced coffee. They almost always, like the last few weeks, have been out of something for iced coffee. So I put a few in the cart and they end up with like 1 or 2 and they had all 4. So we're stocked up on iced coffee. That one is Chad's yogurt, the 5%. I like this one. I have some cream cheese and bagel thins somewhere. This, super good. Throw some chocolate chips in there. and it's like so good for dessert and so easy. Some tortilla chips, always need those. A Mexican 4-cheese blend, I always have that in the fridge. Red grapes, those bagel thins I was talking about. Silk almond milk. I did get a pizza. We are trying to be healthy, but I am the one who always needs something like this on hand for an emergency. Who knows what's gonna happen. 3 cucumbers. I don't think those are the ones that you wanted, Chad. It's like the big ones.
No, those are the ones.
Oh, okay. Some bananas, some ground beef. I don't know, ribs. We have a smoker now and Chad's like obsessed with it. So he said he's going to put those on the smoker. A thing of eggs, raspberries, strawberries, so much baby food. These pouches, for some reason, Forrest is like obsessed with the pouches. He likes, I mean, almost everything, but if it's in a pouch, he eats the whole thing. Spaghetti squash instead of regular noodles with spaghetti, and then a ton of sparkling water. Oh, and a Simply lemonade. I really like this, like half this and half water. I drink it all the time.
I met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't want to let you go. Cause we wanted different things and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on your own. Ever since I got a good look in his eyes, I just knew that he was special. He said he wanted to take it slow, but I couldn't help that I wanted to take it to the next level.
While Chad's putting Forey Boy down for bed, I am going to start wiping off the island because we're going to paint it tonight, or at least start painting it. I have no idea how many coats it's going to take, how easy it's going to take paint, all of that. But I'm really, really excited. A lot of you actually said I should leave it this color, but I'm not a navy person when it comes to this kind of thing. I always wanted a light blue island, and so has Chad. Like, he really likes the color too. So hopefully by the time he comes down, I can have it like ready to go. I'm gonna start doing that right now.
Wanted that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't want to let you go. Cause we wanted different things and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on. Sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I couldn't get him off my mind. Lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't want to let you go. Cause we wanted different things and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So
So that is everything for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button. Please subscribe if you're new here. I always link tons of stuff below, recent videos, anything I mentioned throughout the video. Check that out. And I will see you right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye!